Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Asem aba. John Dramani Mahama. Say post aboko meki ye oko share ye ewo Facebook. Ho nsunsuanso na eguso a eba no. Ye be read comment from Ghanaians atrel and then mema yakai ya twi ya adwen akosi echi because Ghana de wa wonim say asem bia ba ya na to de bia esi pen nti say esi pen ya Melodies mekai mo say ni say esi ye na say ni esi ye nti no answer na better so na subscribe na click the notification bell ne so say mesanso atro etwemu mesanso atro o ye ne sa latest news bia ba won sa ebeka opesa o trewa adwen e wa asem boy so ana asem bia so a your number no e wo screen ase please don't call eto de bia ahomache beye 2 3 4 no na afiansa trese Ghana for airfare I mean ahomache 2 3 de e bia na mada yes around that time no mostly na menda but se wo frɛ obi a enye ahomache 1 2 3 ne airfare no because you all know ya na e bia na ne ba ko na da na bibi aside that no yesanso e wo WhatsApp group opese o join the WhatsApp group na link no e wo description box ni mu Ghana for bebre ewo so I think says is here no over 100 people ewo group ne so every single day meko bia no na trese topic foforo eda trese apaso a trese wo mu dwudwedwudwem nti no eno so ne ade a ewo ho now yan konsem ni mu enche just around last week na NDC MP for I think Bogatanga Central. I stand to be corrected. I friend Isaac Adongo, Honorable Isaac Adongo, Eko make a post. And I will refer to the president and his family as Achim Mafia and Sakawa people. Now, Asemwa Wakano, especially he was talking about the Ejapa deal. Actually, now Asemwa Wakano, and actress because we used to Achim Mafia Nintino. What happened? And they said, well, no, Isaac Adongo Nankasa Wakan no. Nkrofo an share am fan lie bia because Isaac Adongo yes enyo bia no nim no oye MP NDC MP watai kasama NDC wo programs ne platforms we preso na say ya wo good evening Ghana creators and the book of fu po adomo training sensem kasama NDC but not a lot of people know him like they do Mahama intino we make a post no and share them do a tracer and John Dramani Mahama say post ne ye ne de and I won't go far post no and I was share post no into me per se I meti ha Melodies me say media de bia me nam social media me hwehwe nsem de bremo no me krampo no Isaac Adongo post ye no me hu eye Mahama ni post ene ma me hu ye now Mahama post ye no na nkrofo ba bonte be ka se dabi we die na ka ye full soldiers ene kasa sa se eye presidential obi a wada ne president pen bosan so epese ye to aba ma na ke ni kwan se o kasasa because nkrofo betwe wa no esibone ebia na ne kre you weren't referring to the people of Achim but you know say Ghana bibi say sia the family ye blue nti eno na president Akufo-Addo di ebufuo eba abonten ebe ka say na nka ye onu Akufo-Addo na wakwa kasa sa efa ebia notness ana gonjafo ho a na ka Ghana fo ye manenda aden na Mahama kasa afa Achimfo ho na eno na Mahama so babo I'm giving you a breakdown and then we go to today's story ebia na obi ti wonim de esi nti eno so na Mahama wo babo nti be ka tre Akufo-Addo say hey Akufo-Addo eni kwan se wo complain kra wo na ki ye ka wo bia ye kasa fa ne ho a ebe ne ya na nke ni kwan se wo complain wa wo tutu nkrofo din wo krom ha wa eye Atamils time wo man din Professor Doolittle me time o tu me din incompetence ne nyama wo ende ye fra with Achim Mafia wo buefu jai kra jai na bra debate now esiwie ye no ana Mahama kan sa asem ne wie ye no President Akufo-Addo nso statement a wo make ya wo kan say na nke yo no na wo ko make sa statement no efa notness any gonjafo ho anaka Ghana fo ye ma na so enda no na group bia wo mo nso say wo mo northern some say then there was the example President Akufo-Addo na try say o tan yen nti asem baako I am giving you the bia asem no efria eba nti sana asem na eba the latest on the matter and say achimfo wo mo hene and the people of Achim are sorry and you are seeing the flyer right in front of you. The time of recording this particular broadcast is 7th September. One more say one more yet demonstration kesiye on Wednesday, which is 9th September. Our Asaman Kese Lorry Station. One more yet demonstration against John Dramani Mahama. As you have seen right in front of you, the flag bearer of the NDC. Because in some way, you know, a bigotry, tribal bigotry against Ochimai. Someone tonight say former president Enfa Womunim enye fom sa ye de ye hu si ho aye demonstration kese etia John Dramani Mahama nti na achemfo nso ensem a wo mo nso ede ba no nti me sheda na me ma wo the genesis of the matter assembly baby ekọ and the people are akwa say eja other things e wo nchen eso so eja ni mu a ema eja no dere de eja ne yese edum a na bibia ba besom na eja ne ko yese edum a akwa say Tracy Boache ne papa ne nsensem no ase asem ne kofo mu a na obi sisi ade say kokra ma asem ne kofo mu a na obi aba be shem asem ne kofo mu a na obi ayeden aba be shem na tre say asem na asanso akosoro. So that's the similar thing happening right here. Intino, this is the notice, the flyer for demonstration, or see demonstration by concerned citizens of Ochimai. Remember what you say? In Yamabi woho, esi ewo Ghana. Like esi who said no, this is not the first time. I quite remember it was either I stand to be corrected. It was either earlier this year or late last year. Let me say this. This is not the first time the people of Achim and now Ochimai BBC. This is not the first time. And yes, Muambufi say be first time and Crawford say no. This is not the first time. Somewhere around last year or earlier this year, what happened? They say NDC for executive baako our Ashanti region. We could make a statement be say, Enya Mahama na wodi insio. Mahama baya wodi insio project baya insio no sabe ebi ekọ Ochimaya na nka achemfo na nka ebi mo womo ne emmoa na enum insio. NDC executive bi wo Ashanti region a friend Kwame Zu na wo make his statement no na Kwame Zu make his statement no eno nso ema achemfo esore ye demonstration etia Mahama and the NDC. Emma meka me ba bonten sa time na beka say asem akwa mizu kan ye no enye but sa woka sa wo ye demonstration against Mahama mentias ye but woka sa wo ye demonstration against NDC it is okay. Meka sa time na beka sa because almost sorry ka say wo mo ye demonstration against Mahama. Na meka sa kwa mizu de no enye Mahama na kan ti adan ye demonstration against Mahama. But this time around Mahama and our posti into almost a 1 year demonstration against John Dramani Mahama. Nansemo awakano and sem fata. It's a sem no dear, Nini nano no. Ma shut down a mamma history. Because in sem be Ebiana from the middle the one in the AC. Imagine that someone is listening to us for the very first time. Won in the AC. Won wasa wati bibia se hu ne say okay ahase na ekọ nkonko a sorry na me kai kwa amezu de ne kra no wo mo ye demonstration ni wie ye e na kwa amezu ebe pa wo mo chew e no mo ka se masa e chew pa no ye nje o mo se e chew pa kwa amezu be pa no wo mo mfi no nti asem no we minim but clearly it is not looking like John Dramani Mahama will apologize. Endra, Vice President Baumia Echo Northern Region, ɛna now to me hu no so ka asɛm no wɔka ɛna wɔ sɛ Mahama ba abɔnten bɛ apologize say ade na Mahama wɔ sɛ wɔkasa saa politicians enye easy o nti no the other no mesrɛ mo munia ho trem adwen comment box ni mo me da say